Hello, my name is Carl and I'm the CEO of Attin. But before we founded Attin, I was a cloud architect and it was my job to help companies on their cloud journeys. And that is how Attin came to be, because I saw firsthand how difficult it is to set up and maintain a cloud platform. Attin specializes in AWS, which is the biggest cloud provider in the world. This means that any company who hosts its IT on AWS is a potential customer. And AWS currently have over 1 million active customers. However, Attin really shines when it comes to managing complexity and replicating it. So any company who has a lot of different IT environments or a very complex IT environment can really leverage Attin's strength. So, what problem are we trying to solve? Well, setting up and maintaining IT environments is hard. Every environment needs networks, databases, an application service, and much more. And setting all of this up can take weeks, if not months, and then maintenance is a nightmare. And it's not enough to do all of this once. No, you need multiple different IT environments for different reasons. For example, you need one for developing and testing new features, you need a disaster recovery environment, and you need a production environment for your end users. And these environments always have to look and behave exactly the same. Otherwise, you can't rely on your tests and your disaster recovery environments becomes useless. And maintaining and updating these over time is not only time-consuming and difficult, it's also very risky, and it often leads to incidents or security holes that can be exploited by hackers. So how does Attin solve this? Well, with Attin, you never update an IT environment directly. Instead, you take all the information needed for your deployment and you bake it into one file. And then you can copy this file into all of your different environments, and then Attin will do the deployments for you. This removes any risk of manual errors, and it makes it easy to replicate your results. We had some cloud experts test Attin, and they can see the problem and they definitely see how Attin can help solve it. So where are we today? We have an AWS partnership in place, and we have a patent application in the US plus a PCT. We have a product that's ready for production, and we just closed our pre-seed round last month. So now our next step is to validate product market fit and get some initial customer traction, and then it's time to scale. Our vision is to standardize the way an organization manages the cloud, and we believe that Attin will be the preferred way of working in the future. Thank you for listening.